Hey Cubs, please open page number 20, book semester 1. David Copperfield goes to a new school. The next morning, I began my schooling at Dr. Strong's. My new headmaster was very different from Mr. Crackle. Dr. Strong was a truly learned man who loved learning. He never beat his boys and always treated them kindly and justly. All the boys respected him. Most of them worked hard in order to please him. Dr. Strong's school had a great reputation and was respected by everybody. Dr. Strong led me into the schoolroom. Here is a new boy, Trotwood Copperfield. Dr. Strong introduced me to the boys. The head boy stepped forward and welcomed me in a friendly way and showed me my desk. At first, I felt strange among my new companions. My life had been so different from theirs. They knew much more than I did, for they had a regular schooling. Many of their games were unknown to me. Perhaps they had seen me when I had arrived in Dover dirty, ragged, and hungry. I felt ashamed and afraid. And so, at first, I kept away from everybody. When school was over, I hurried home to Mr. Wickfield's. I was happy there. Agnes was always there to meet me with a happy smile. She helped me with my homework. Her father was always kind to me. Little by little, I lost my feeling of strangeness. I began to like Dr. Strong and the boys. I liked them better every day. After a fortnight, Mr. Wickfield asked me, "Do you want to stay here?" I answered quickly with a yes. "Good," said Mr. Wickfield with a smile. "I'm glad to hear that. We like having you here, don't we, Agnes?" "Yes, yes," she answered eagerly. I spent 7 happy years at Dr. Strong's school. He was pleased with my progress, and so was my aunt. Every month I went to Dover to see her. Mr. Dick came to see me every Wednesday when we had a half-holiday. He always brought his kite with him. All the boys loved Mr. Dick. On windy days, we went with him to a hill nearby. There he flew his kite and spread his ideas. Mr. Dick was very clever with his hands. He could cut apples and potatoes into the strangest shapes. He was able to make boats and hats out of paper. The boys admired him for his skill and cleverness. Mr. Dick had great respect for Dr. Strong. He always took his hat off when Dr. Strong spoke to him. He did not put it on till the conversation was over. Little by little, the two became great friends. Dr. Strong was writing a book at this time. He always read parts of it aloud to Mr. Dick. Mr. Dick used to listen, his eyes shining with joy. But he did not understand one word of it. Yes, my years in Canterbury were happy ones. Complete the exercises. For more, visit link to cubsclub.org.